This is 10.2b of geometry. So we're going to look at the area of rhombuses and kites. They have the same equation. A equals 1/2 d1 d2. So these are our diagonals, right? So here's one diagonal, the other diagonal. Again, over here, here's the one diagonal, and here's the other diagonal. So let's just do our got it problem here. What is the area of a kite with diagonals that are 12 inches and 9 inches long? So, drawing our two diagonals. This one, the shorter one would be the 9, and this one would be 12. We really don't even need a picture. A equals 1/2 d1 d2. So A is equal to 1/2. Doesn't matter which one you call d1 and d2. You're just multiplying, so order doesn't matter. So 1/2 times 12 times 9, which is the same thing as 6 times 9. So our area is 54, and we're in inches, so inches squared. Okay, finding the area of a rhombus. So, let me sketch ourselves a rhombus here. A rhombus has sides of 10 centimeters long. If the longer diagonal, this one, is 16 centimeters, what is the area of the rhombus? So we're going to need the other diagonal, right? So we're going to need this one. So our whole thing here is 16. What we can do is we can look at this little triangle here. Okay, this is a right triangle. This side is 10. If this whole thing here is 16, then this part is 8. And we need to find that. So let me sketch that triangle to the side here. 10, 8, and x. So I'm going to use Pythagorean theorem. X squared plus 8 squared equals 10 squared. So x squared plus 64 equals 100. Subtract 64. X squared is equal to 36. And if we square root, we get that x is equal to 6. So this little piece here, right there, is 6. So the whole diagonal is going to be 12 then, right? 6 and 6. And we said our first diagonal was 16, and now we can find the area. So A is equal to 1/2 d1 d2. So A is equal to 1/2 times 16 times 12. So 1/2 times 16 times 12 gives us 96, and we were working in centimeters, so 96 centimeters squared. And there's your homework.